Guys, listen pa. Question number 13 from 7.5. 2 divided by 1 minus x 1 plus x square, which is equal to, I'm going to write in the form of partial fraction Raja. So a divided by 1 minus x plus bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. See, there is a square here, so that only I'm forming linear in the numerator. Okay. Now take cross multiply Raja. So a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x whole divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Okay. And here 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Now you can cancel this part, denominator same, so you can cancel this. Now we have 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x as answer number 2 I am taking. This will be as answer number 1. Now listen, now we have to apply one by one. First 1 minus x equal to 0, let's substitute Raja. Put 1 minus x is equal to 0 now. This implies 1 is equal to x, which means x value 1. So when you substitute x value 1 in answer number 2, what I am getting? Left hand side 2, there is no change in it. Left hand side 2, there is no change in it. So 2 is equal to, what is that? A into 1 plus x value also 1. 1 square 1 plus b term will be, b and c term. This term will be 0 because 1 minus x equal to 0 now. The whole term will be 0. So the 2 when you cancel, a equal to 1 I am getting. A equal to what I am getting? 1. Right. We need to find even both, what is that? B value as well as c value. But we cannot give 1 plus x square equal to 0. If you give, it will become a complex number. So that what we will do, let's simplify answer number 2. Answer number 2, let's simplify. So what we are getting? 2 in the left hand side, okay. A when you multiply a plus the a into x square, a x square. And this one you can multiply, okay. When you multiply, what I am getting? Let's see, bx into 1 na bx. Bx minus x in the sense bx square. C when you multiply, c into 1 is c, c into minus x minus cx. Now you can equating coefficient of x square. So first coefficient of x square I am equating. Let's see what we are getting. Left hand side no x square term Raja, so 0, which is equal to right hand side x square term we have a and minus b. So that a minus b you will be getting a minus b. So that 0 which is equal to a value 1 when I give, this is I am getting. Then b also I am getting 1. A also 1, then b also 1. Next when I am equating coefficient of x, what I am getting? Coefficient of x when I am equating, what I am getting? Let's see. Left hand side no coefficient of x is, so 0. Right hand side x term na b is there and minus c is there. Okay, coefficient of x na, what is x with that which is multiplying, that you have to take. Okay, so b minus the c. So that b minus the c is the required. Understand? B minus the c. Now b value we know 0, which is equal to 1 minus c, 1 equal to c. Again c also 1. What is that? A1, B1, C also 1. Everything became a 1 here. Right, fine. Now we'll apply all those things in answer number 1. So 1 implies what I am getting? 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square, which is equal to a value 1 divided by 1 minus x plus b value also 1, even c value also 1. So that 1x na just x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So when I apply integral on both the side, what I am getting? Like this I am getting. Okay, now apply integral separately my dear. So left hand side will be like I, then integral 1 divided by 1 minus x into dx, and this denominator apply separately. For x separately, 1 separately if you apply, you will be getting the required. Okay, so that integral x divided by 1 plus x square into dx plus integral 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So whatever you need, you have to multiply now, then only you can take integral. Don't forget. Children listen, denominator, when you differentiate you should get numerator, then you can apply log of denominator. But the first one, one derivative 0, minus x derivative minus 1. But numerator we have a plus 1, but we need minus 1. So multiplying minus 1, both numerator and denominator. So what I am doing, multiply minus 1 and 1 divided by minus 1. Or else inside 1 minus 1, outside 1 minus 1, not an issue. Okay, like that also you can do. The same manner here, this one, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. But only x is there. What is missing, Daraja? 2 is missing. So multiply 2, divide 2. What do you need that you do, children? So multiplying 2 and dividing 2. Whatever I am mentioning in the white color, kindly use pencil. And this one directly what formula, pa? This one directly what formula? Tan inverse x. Very good. Tan inverse x formula. So what you can write then? Minus log of denominator, the first one, 1 minus x, and 1 by 2 into again log of denominator 1 plus x square, and plus this one what, tan inverse x formula directly, plus c. Okay, that's it, ma. You can stop. Okay, or if you want to simplify 1 by 2, if you take into a power, you can write log a by b. Better you can stop here enough. Okay, this is the required answer for question number 13. Question number 14. So I is equal to integral 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square into dx. Raja, you can use directly what is that? What is that partial fraction? So 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square, which is equal to, what is that, a divided by x plus 2 without a square, and a divided by x, sorry, b divided by x plus 2 whole square with a square. Like this you have to go. Without a square 1, with a square 1. Understand? And take LCM, Daraja. So what I am getting, x plus 2 whole square is my LCM. Then here only one x plus 2 is there, then one more you have to multiply with the a. B already which is there correctly, then leave it. And here 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square. So you can cancel the denominator when we have a same. Then 3x minus 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b. So this is my answer number 2 and this is answer number 1. So listen pa, put x plus 2 equal to 0 na. This implies x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So when I give what I am getting, 2 implies x value minus 2, if I give na 3 into minus 2 minus 1 equal to a term will be 0 plus b. So that minus 6 minus 1 na minus 7 is equal to b. That's it. So b value is the minus 7. Then a value if you need na equating coefficient of x. Equating coefficient of x term. So in the left hand side coefficient of x term is what na 3. Okay, 3 which is equal to right hand side a, when you multiply you will be getting ax. So that coefficient of x term is what na a. So a value 3 directly I am getting. We don't want to simplify. Understand? Right? We got a value, b value. Let's substitute in a 1. So that 1 implies 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square, which is equal to a value 3 divided by x plus 2 plus b value what we got minus 7 divided by x plus 2 whole square. When you apply integral on both sides, you will be getting, okay, into dx. Now what is that 3 you take outside, so that 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square, sorry, x plus 2 into dx, minus 7 if I take outside, now take the denominator to the numerator, then only we can take integral. So that x plus 2 whole power minus 2 into dx. Okay. Now the first one what na log of denominator, because when you differentiate the denominator I am getting numerator, and this one is what na integral x power n formula. Okay, integral x power n, so that x plus 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Children, See, directly I'm using integral x power n. When you should not use na, when we have a x square plus 2, like that if you have, you should not use. Just x is there, x plus 1 or x plus 2, like that, whole power 2, whole power minus, anything is there na, you can use directly x power n formula, not an issue. Okay, right. Now let's simplify this part. So 3 log x plus 2. Denominator, when you simply you will be getting minus 1, so minus and minus plus 7 divided by this power negative will come, so when you bring to denominator it will be positive. So plus c, that's it. Is that our required answer for a first one? So I you write. This is I means question. Okay, this is question number 14th one. Question number 15. Let's start. I is equal to integral 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1 into dx. Seriya? Listen. So x power 4, you have to simplify in the, right, I will write here itself. 1 by x power 4, you can write x square the whole square. 1 you can write 1 square. So which is look like a plus b, a minus b formula, right? So x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Again, this one look like a square minus b square formula. So that 1 divided by x square plus 1 as it is. Second one you can write x plus 1, x minus 1. Like that you can simplify. So that denominator will be coming as x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. So this is the denominator. We are simplifying the 15th one. Now normally the partial fraction how we can apply, same manner you can apply, not an issue. Okay, so 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is equal to a divided by x square plus 1 b divided by, sorry, square is there, so ax plus b will be coming. Then instead of b here c we can use, c divided by x plus 1 and d divided by x minus 1. Oh, there is 4 unknown here, a, b, c, d. Okay. Because of quadratic, the numerator became linear. Listen careful. And take LCM Daraja, which means x square plus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. So from the 3, what is missing in a numerator, that you multiply pa, so that ax plus b into, so x square plus 1 alone we have, other 2 we can multiply with the first term. That means x plus 1 into x minus 1 you have to multiply plus c into x plus 1 alone we have. First term and last term you can multiply. First term and last term, which means x square plus 1 into x minus 1 you can multiply, plus d into x minus 1 we have, other 2 term we can multiply with the numerator. So that d into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. So this is the what actually simplification. And here we have denominator same, x square plus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. So the denominator when we have same you can cancel pa. Then what we have remaining, let's write. We have a 1 which is equal to ax plus b x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1 into x minus 1 plus d into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Understand? It's enough, Daraja. Now children listen, let's apply one by one. Put x is equal, sorry, what is that, x plus 1 na? Oh, this one let's take 1, this will be answer number 2. Okay, put what is that, x plus 1 equal to 0 na. This implies x is equal to minus 1. I'm getting x is equal to minus 1, left hand side nothing, so 1 we have, which means 2 implies left hand side 1 which is equal to, wherever you have x plus 1 that term will be 0, don't forget. Here we have x plus 1 and here we have x plus 1, then first term and last term will be 0, only c term will be available. Okay, only c term will be available. So a and b is gone, Then in the C term place, x value minus 1 if I am giving now, minus 1 is squared, it will be plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 2. And here minus 1 na, minus 2. So that minus 2 and the D term also will be 0. So that minus 4 when you send opposite na, it will be multiply minus 4 na. So that when you bring opposite, what is that? 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 equal to C. So C value minus 1 by 4. Okay, pa? Right. Next, put x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. So what I am getting, let's see. 2 implies left hand side 1 and no change in it. Here also wherever you have x plus 1, x minus 1, that will become 0. So here first 2 term will be 0. Only D term will be available. Okay. That be careful. So that A, B 0, C also 0. And when we apply a D term, x value 1 now, 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 2. In second term also 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Right, fine. That 2 to the 4, when you send opposite, 1 by 4 equal to D. So D value, we got it 1 by 4. Then we have to find others which mean A and B you have to find. A, B, we must be careful. We have to equate, no other go. Okay, right. Raja, listen. So let's equate coefficient of what is that, x cube. X cube, let's equate. So there is no cube square x term in the left hand side. So left hand side is 0. Be careful. So here we have a ax. Okay, ax along with ax you have to go. Ax into x, ax square. Ax square into x, ax cube. Then x cube coefficient a. Be careful here. So x cube coefficient is a. First term over. Then you will not get any other place as a cube here. Okay. Then here x square into x cube, then c is multiplying, then c you will be getting. Okay, c you will be getting, and here also x square into x cube, then one more d also will be coming. So these three things will be acting as a x cube coefficients. Okay, so that a value don't know, c value what na, minus 1 by 4, and d value what na, plus 1 by 4. Then what you will be getting, a value Daraja? What you will be getting my a value? 0. So 0 is equal to a, because plus a by 4 minus a by 4 cancel. Then a value 0. Okay, a value 0. And one more we need. What we need? A b value. Okay. So that constant term will equate better. That is, which is easy that you equate. Constant is easy to find. So that constant I am taking. Constant I am taking. So left hand side we have a constant that will be 1. So 1 you write, and here constant alone you have to multiply, nothing. B into 1, B is a constant. Then B into minus 1, that is also one constant. So minus B is our constant. Minus B is our constant. Minus B. Next C. Okay. Constant 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So outside C is there. So minus C is our constant. Like that, 1 ones are 1, outside D is there, plus D is our constant. Okay, already C is there, plus D is our constant. So apply all those things. B value we have to find. Okay, and C value minus 1 by 4. Here minus is there, minus and minus, plus 1 by 4. And D value also 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, what we can say, pa? 1 by 2. Okay, quarter plus quarter half. So 1 by 2, when you send opposite, what you will be getting, pa? What you will be getting? So here you will be getting 1 equal to minus B plus half. So B when you bring opposite like this, 1 when you send opposite, minus 1 plus half na, minus 1 by 2 you will be getting. B value what I am getting, pa? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Right, fine, ma. Everything I got it. Now take A, B, C, D in a 1 we can substitute. So that 1 implies, what is 1 actually? 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay. So when you apply integral for this, you will be getting something that I am writing in the down. That is I is equal to what is that? Ax. Sir, I'm substituting here everything. Okay. A value they said 0, right? So 0 plus b value what ma? B value minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 1. Next c value what ma? Minus 1 divided by 4 whole divided by here. That means x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus d value we have here 1 by 4. D value we have 1 by 4 divided by x minus 1. That's it. Okay. Overall into dx when you apply integral. That's it, ma. Now apply the integral separately. Minus 1 by 2 if you take outside now, x square plus 1 into dx. Minus 1 by 4 if you take outside now, x plus 1 into dx. Plus 1 by 4 if you take outside now, x minus 1 into dx. That's it, Raja. Now you can notice that the first one is what? Tan inverse formula. Directly you can write. So that minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 4. This one log of denominator you can write. What is that? Log of denominator, that is x plus 1 and plus 1 by 4. And even this also log of denominator x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. X minus 1 plus c. Right, that's it. Now you can simplify this even little bit. If you take 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 if you take outside now, generally when you want to simplify, when you have a log, the constant, the coefficients of log will be same now. That time you can simplify. So that minus log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 plus c we have. Now that is look like log a by b. That one you can use. So tan inverse x plus 1 by 4 log a by b. A will be positive term. Okay, that means x minus 1 divided by, a negative term will be in denominator, which means x plus 1. Okay, plus overall c. That's it. Okay, this is our required answer for the 15th one. Okay. For next question number 16. 16 will take I is equal to 1 divided by x into x power n plus 1 into dx. Hint they gave what now? You can notice it. Both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by what, Raja? What they are telling? X power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 they are asking to multiply. Okay. So let's multiply here. What we are getting, let's see. So numerator x power n minus 1, even denominator also we have to multiply x power n minus 1. Then remaining you write as it is. Means in question whatever they gave, that you write as it is. Have you understand? Have you understand what I am telling? Right. Just we have multiplied. Right. Now we'll see what it is. So denominator, numerator x power n minus 1 will be as it is. Okay. And denominator c, when base common power you can add, which means what you can do that x power n minus 1, this x power 1 is the meaning. When you add a power, I'm getting that plus 1. Okay, into x power n plus 1 into dx. Have you understand? Right. Now what is that? Denominator will be x power n, just x power n. Again x power n plus 1 into dx. Numerator we are not doing anything, that will be as it is, which means x power n minus 1 will be there as it is. So question changed like this now. Question is changed like this. Okay. Now you can, and one more point they give, what? X power n they asked to replace as a t, not to like differentiate. For finding what is that n value, sorry. For finding a, b value, we have to replace like that. So that x power n minus 1 divided by x power n into x power n plus 1, which is equal to, what they asked to do, actually x power n we have to replace as a t. Okay. So when you replace what I am getting, let's see the Raja. Or else directly we can go. But the power, without n we cannot. Right, fine, we will replace better. So t into t plus 1 I am getting. Then the numerator how it will be, x power n minus 1 na we can write x power n into x power minus 1. Then t minus 1 we can write by x. Numerator let it be as it is or else. Numerator don't do anything. Ma listen, here directly if you apply now we are not getting, so better what we do, we'll take t is equal to x power n. Let's differentiate. So dt is equal to n will be coming down, x power n minus 1 x derivative dx will be coming. So x power n minus 1 into dx we have, that you can write dt n only extra, so that dt divided by n which is equal to x power n minus 1 into dx. Now we can replace here, this is in the since portion. Okay, now the I became in a t portion. See children, this whole numerator will become dt by n. Okay, so that denominator what, x power n we assumed as a t, and t plus 1 into dt divided by n we have. Now this n you take outside Raja, 1 by n and integral 1 divided by t into t plus 1 into dt. Now everything became in the t format. Okay, right, now you can go normal simplification. 1 by n limit 1 divided by t into t plus 1, like this will do, so that a divided by t plus b divided by t plus 1, take cross multiply, so that a into t plus 1 plus bt whole divided by t into t plus 1. Here 1 divided by t into t plus 1. Denominator you can cancel when we have the same. So remaining what we have now, 1 equal to a of t plus 1 plus bt. Now apply, put t equal to 0. First t when you apply 0, what I am getting, 1 equal to a into 0 plus 1, 1, b term will be 0, then 1 is equal to a. Okay, next t plus 1 equal to 0 if you give now, this implies t is equal to minus 1, then 1 implies a term will be 0, b into minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 equal to b. A b value we got it, let's substitute here. Okay, so let's see what we are getting. Then 1 implies what we have, 1 divided by t into t plus 1 which is equal to a value 1 divided by t and plus b value minus 1 divided by t plus 1. When you apply integral you will be getting, apply integral and divide 1 by n on both sides, along with 1 by n I am doing. So 1 by n and applying integral, then only you will be getting question. On both the side I am doing this, so that 1 by n and commonly I am applying integral separately, 1 by t into dt minus integral 1 by t plus 1 into dt, that's it. Okay, now let's simplify Raja. 1 by n, this one you can write log of denominator, that means log t, minus this also log of denominator which means t plus 1 overall plus c. And what is t we assumed, that you can replace, you will be getting the final answer. That's it Raja. Therefore 1 divided by n into, and if you want you can write log a by b, right, which means what is that, log a by b, log a means positive numerator minus in denominator, understand, plus c which is equal to 1 by n into t value what Raja, x power n, so that x power n divided by x power n plus 1 plus c you will be getting, that's it. So this one is your final answer, understand. I hope you understand. Write faster Raja. Okay, next video will come in means question number 17 I will come in the next video. Thank you children.